Hey, I'm Hannah. Today I'm at the Smith marketing neighborhood called Asher at Lake Brandt. This is a home by D Stone Builders, so you know they always have exciting design elements, and this home doesn't disappoint. The folks at Smith Marketing describe the maintenance-free townhomes in Asher as having enhanced floor plans that are customizable to each homeowner's needs. And enhanced these townhomes are indeed. A kitchen area is the heart of any home. It's where your family gathers to talk about the happenings of the day and your family communes with friends. The layout and finish of this room is critical. First, you notice this room is bright as light pours in from the bay windows, which makes a perfect spot for the dining room table. The centerpiece is a large granite-topped island with a generous overhang for the bar stools. The island cabinetry contrasts with the beautiful white kitchen cabinetry, and the pulls and hardware are elegant. On the chef side of the island, we find a microwave, so it's out of sight to everyone except the chef. The granite countertops work really nicely with the entry subway tile backsplash, and the finer appointments like a tall neck faucet and New York loft style range hood add the undefinable something that make the kitchen so appealing. Under cabinet lighting adds yet another subtle touch, so when you stand back and look at the kitchen area as a whole, the colors are soft, completely complement each other, and create a warm and inviting feel. This is a beautifully crafted kitchen by an experienced and talented builder.